Hello everyone, I will show you 4 ways in this video. I guarantee that you will free up at least 10 gigabytes of space. Let's move on to the video. First step, click Windows plus R and write temp. Click Continue. Click Ctrl plus A to select all. And to delete, press Shift plus Delete. And skip the ones that cannot be deleted. Second way. Open File Explorer and click this PC. Select the C drive and right-click and go to the Properties section. Go to the Tools section and click Optimize below. Click Optimize and wait. After the optimization is finished, click Close and close it. Third way. Go to Windows Search and write Disk Cleanup. Run Administrator. Select C drive and open. And wait. Mark all options. Deep note, none of your files will be harmed. I did not mark the trash can because there are files I need there. It may take a little longer. Sit back and have your coffee. And that's it. Fourth way. Open your browser and search Cleaner. Go to Cleaner official website and click Free Download. After the setup opens, never ever click on Install. Click on Customize. You can remove the ticks you want here, then click Install and let's install the program. Remove Click and Run Cleaner. And click Start Cleaner. And say Decline to the ad that comes up. Select Free Trail. Click Run First Scan and wait. After the scan is complete, you can click Clean and delete all files. And this will free up at least 10 GB of space. Thank you for watching. To support me, please subscribe and don't forget to like the video.